Welcome to 22 Grace Crescent and Barrie's vibrant Painswick South, the perfect place to call home. Step inside the spacious 4-bedroom home and feel the warmth of a large open foyer. The family room, with its cozy gas fireplace, flows into a modern kitchen, perfect for family meals. Entertain in style with a separate dining and living room. Outside, kids can shoot hoops, splash in the pool, with tons of upgrades, minutes from top schools, parks, and shopping. This home is ideal for growing families ready to make new memories.